Hi everyone! So today I decided to try something a little different. As you guys know, I am in army, and a lot of my money goes to them. If you guys are a fan of BTS, you might know of their collaboration with Line Friends, which came about BT21. And recently their stuff was on Amazon for like a very, very short amount of time. Luckily, I was able to get a Koya plushie, and it actually just came in today. I just picked this up literally like 10 minutes ago, and look at this packaging. It is so cute. I nearly awed in the housing the housing office when I went to go pick this up, because this is just adorable. I like want to buy from them just because I know the packaging is this cute. Like, look at this tape. But I mean, like, also look how big this box is. Like, it is literally as big as my torso. So definitely, at least to me, worth the money for a huge cushion. So let's see how big this is. I don't want to ruin the tape because it's so cute. How am I gonna open this? Let's see if I can like slowly peel this off. I'll like fast forward this part for you guys, because those of you that are like, just rip it open already. Yeah, no, that's not happening because this is way too cute and I want to salvage some of it. This physically pains me to like do this to the tape because the tape is just so cute. Like, I don't want to ruin it, but like, I gotta get to Koya. I'm sorry. Oh. Okay. So, there wasn't any like extra stuff in there. Look! It came with a little bag! Oh, this is so cute! I'm definitely gonna like use this someday. Maybe I'll just like use this instead of my regular backpack for school. Carry on my laptop or something. Inside, oh, it's tied. Inside should be Koya. Oh, it's like an actual like carrying backpack. Maybe I should take this with me when I go to con too. Look at this! Oh, he's all wrapped up and stuff. Okay, let's. Is there an opening? Okay, no. I'm gonna open it myself. Okay, this is the softest thing ever. This is so soft. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. It's so soft. Oh my god, I wish you guys can feel this. There's little ears too. And there's the little tag right here. You guys can see. And there's like a little description too. Koya, hashtag arranger, hashtag pillow, hashtag sleepy eyes, hashtag removable ears. Thinker, koala, Koya, smart but looks sleepy while actually thinking deeply. Aw, that's so cute. Oh, I love this so much. And then there's like the typical thing of you can't remove this tag and here's how you wash it and stuff. Oh my god, I can't get over how soft this is. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I was like debating about whether to get the 30 centimeters or the 42. I'm actually pretty happy because I got the 30. So it was like 11 inches. So I'm actually pretty happy with like the size of this. So like perfect like cuddle size or something. So yeah, this is my little unboxing video for BT21. So yeah, overall, came with really, really cute packaging. Oh, like, this bag's actually really big. Wait, let me show you guys. Like this covers up my torso completely, like the box. Is it bigger than the box? Wait. Here's the box. For size comparison, I don't know what I'm doing really. So it completely covers the box and then some. So this thing's huge. You can probably put a lot of stuff in here. And then Koya himself. Yeah, these things are super soft. Like, I'm just gonna like pet this thing the whole time I have it. I'm just gonna like sit on my lap as I do homework and stuff. Oh, this is really cute. Alright, but yeah, that is my unboxing video. If there's anything, if this is something you guys like watching, maybe in the next BTS comeback when I order their albums, I'll have an unboxing video for that too. But yeah, see ya!